Hey, what's happening, campers? Alright, check this out. The title says it all. Google's ass-kicking self-driving car. And what you see is what you get. The future is here. There's a self-driving car. Can you believe that shit? And who is it from? Ding ding, we have a winner. It's Google. No surprise there, right? Let's talk about this. Really, a self-driving car? Are you serious? This is something that I really did not want to see invented. So we have a self-driving car in 2011. Freaking finally, dude. Aren't we supposed to have flying cars by now? I think the movie Back to the Future lied to us. I think we should sue the producers for that. I can only imagine what's going to happen with these self-driving cars. So I assume now if you get into an accident, you don't have to blame the driver, you're just going to blame the car. So are you going to sue the car or are you going to sue the driver? Also, it's going to make it a lot easier for the fathers and mothers to beat the shit out of the kids who are misbehaving in the back seat. Allow me to demonstrate. What'd you say to me? Okay, auto, right, ding 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 ding. Now, instead of saying, hey, don't make me come back there and whoop your ass, it's gonna be, hey, don't make me put this thing on auto and whoop your ass. Yeah, I'm gonna auto whoop your ass. You know, since they have self-driving cars, they should just have self-beating cars, you know? That if your children are misbehaving in the back seat, that they get the shit beat out of them by some magical fist or something that comes out of the seat in front of them or on the top somewhere, you know, that beats the hell out of them. You know, sets them in place. But hey, it's okay, we have a self-driving car, so now the father can actually get up out of his seat and beat the shit out of his children while the car is driving. I mean, seriously, it's like technology is becoming everyone's whore. Have you noticed that it does every single thing for us? Pretty soon all the things that are doing everything for us are actually going to do everything against us. That's right, we're talking Skynet Terminator bullshit here. Hey, here's an idea, Google. The auto toilet. Does that sound like a good idea? I can only imagine right now the auto toilet comes complete with ass wiping capabilities and auto flush. Auto seat not included. Battery sold separately. Or is it a plug? Butt plug, that is. Because here's what's gonna happen, Google. If that thing messes up and wipes my ass the wrong way, somebody's gonna get sued for violation of my anal cavity. Could you imagine an auto toilet? I mean, let's go ahead and think about this. Operation Wipe My Ass. All of a sudden, instead of wiping your ass, it shoves the whole thing right up and goes and you're like, oh, Mother Teresa! Yeah, it's like that. Auto objects scare the shit out of me. I mean, this is some quantum physics shit. I'm not even kidding you. Could you imagine if this car decided to go haywire and just get pissed off at you? Destination supermarket. All of a sudden the car goes and drives you off a fucking cliff. Slam you into a wall. Possibly eject you if there was ejection seats. I mean, this is a computer we're talking about. Computers are nothing to mess with. They have minds of their own. They're getting smarter than the human brain. Because what you're doing right now, you're creating robots. And I gotta tell you, that's something that just boggles the mind. It's not smart. Now, when I saw the self-driving car, automatically I thought, Transformers, that's what's going on right here. I mean, could we really trust this Google shit? I mean, what if we all buy these cars and then all of a sudden they turn into these fucking Transformers and start blowing shit up and killing the human race? Speaking of Transformers, that's probably what's gonna happen. You get into an accident by driving one of these cars and you hit another one of those self-driving cars, you're gonna get ejected out of your seat and there's gonna be a Transformers fucking Autobot fest fight right in front of you. Now, I wouldn't have a problem with that, only if they just served me Coke and popcorn automatically while I'm being ejected out of the seat to watch this epic fight. And for those of you who are wondering if I'm a sellout and got paid by Google to go ahead and do this video, no, I don't think so. Damn, I can't believe the zeros on these checks. Oh shit, you're still here. 100, 200, 300, 400. Oh, I wasn't counting money in my hands. All right, so the title says Google's ass-kicking car. Okay, seriously, this ass-kicking self-driving car, I thought it was a car that literally will kick your ass. Which leads me to my next thing. If we have one of these cars, is it going to be thief-proof? You know, so if a thief tries to steal your car, is the car going to defend itself by kicking the shit out of that thief? That is something that I want to see. Please have a video camera included so when I come back and see that little bitch on the floor, I can see exactly how it is that they were killed or hurt. And could you imagine if a car defended itself, if you go right up to it and try to get into it, the door opens and slams you right into the wall or something, or the window goes up and chops your head right off? I mean, that would be really, really cool. The future is here. Now, I can already see it right now. If we have flying cars next, that's not gonna be a pretty sight. Now, Google, let me just ask you this last question. If the computer fails on this car, what are you gonna do about it? Better yet, what are the passengers gonna do about it? I don't know about you guys, but I'm not gonna trust this car. I would never get this car. I don't care how far technology goes. I'm gonna drive, okay, myself. I'm not gonna trust a computer because a computer can fuck up on you. It's becoming to the point where if you piss a computer off, you might as well kiss your ass goodbye. The computer could have major dyslexia and think that it's going right when you're you're really going left into a wall or off a cliff or into another car. It goes through a red light because it thinks that red is actually green. Red means go in the computer world. So many bad things can malfunction on a computer, you have no idea. Alright, so what if you're having sex in the car? Is that car gonna start making noises? Is it gonna talk back to you? I think cars like this in the future will be able to talk back to you. What if it doesn't want to go where you want to go? For example, go to the beach. No. Go to the desert. No. Go to Disneyland. No. Go to Magic Mountain. No. Go to your mom's house. No. I do not compute. I want to watch a movie. Destination, drive-in. Honestly, if I was in a car that thought for itself, I would not have sex in that thing at all. Literally, the car will become the ultimate pervert, okay? The ultimate peeping Tom. That's probably what I would name my car. I would name it Tom. So campers, if you want to see the full video about this, you guys gotta see it. Go in the underwear below and check it out. You have to see it. So anyway, welcome to the future, everyone. Skynet is here. Leave your thoughts below on this car. What do you guys think? Go ahead and comment below. What do you think about this car? Do you like it? Is it a bad idea? What's going on through your head? Thumbs up if you automatically think that we're going to turn into some Skynet Terminator shit here. I'll talk to you guys very soon. More skits, vlogs, and random comedy coming right up. The future is here. Are you prepared for this? Happy trails.